We are here, we are here, we are here on this amazing day. Okay, everyone, this is Cam Jones, FX Daily Analysis, and we are marking up MSGS. We are on a monthly time frame. Price action, last candle to right hand side, is a bullish green candle with a long wick down to that bottom. Could be a reversal in the market. We do have price action overall, higher highs. Price action overall, lower lows. Midpoint. Also adding second level lows. And also adding third level lows. So let's zoom in the price to see what's going on. So as I said before, price action bullish green candle, push down to the bottom, something like a doji, very small, still need time to grow, still active on this monthly time frame. Price action is at 160.51 for current price. So if price work its way up, it can tag that resistance in black at 166.77. And before coming there, market can tag the numbers of 163.61. If market decides to pull back for a retest before the push or maybe the reversal, market can be tagging the bottom of that current price action body nearing the numbers of 157.82. So let's zoom in the price. Let's zoom out to see what's going on in the market overall. So if this market pushes up from this area, what's happening? So market has came from a low, pushed up, so it broke the midpoint, came back to return to the midpoint not once, but twice. And this could be the market area for that market to push up from here. If so, market is drawing out that overall pattern for that break retest identified for the first, second, third, fourth retest. Market pushed up, came back to retest that previous side that it just came from of that triple bottom. If it's respected at the support, which we're looking for price action to engulf that second, maybe third to last candle at least, to push that market up to that midpoint line, and then we're looking for the break, the retest, and for that market to work its way up, and that will be identified as an incline double bottom in that area nearing price, and it's coming from an overall triple bottom and a retest, quadruple bottom, 4 pushes to that bottom, and the market work its way up. Now if the market pushes down from this area, we have multiple pushes to that top, which are identified as market identified as the first, second, third, fourth retest. Market push once. So market's coming from an overall triple top. That triple top, after the triple top, market came back to retest that triple top with a double retest for that first, second, third, fourth. Okay, market finally broke, and now we have a break and retest, a break and a retest twice. So this is the area to see if that market is going to be rejected and not engulf that third last candle. It can push down back to that area and create that third touch towards the third push or second push of that area, overall area. And if it works its way up, we'll see that double bottom form. If not, we'll receive that consolidation. Headed down to the weekly time frame. So price action weekly time frame identified as a bullish green candle. So markets is working their way up for that incline double bottom for that first, second, third, and we market seeing that push. So market just broke that SR line. So we're looking for a retest to identify in this area. If not, we can just receive a bullish green candle that can work its way up. So we can see prices also breaking another level. So the black line, SR line is resistance. The red SR line is the midpoint, and we have another level of second level highs in this area on this weekly time frame near price. So now as we on this time frame, we're looking for that market to identify a retest to see if it's going to push out off this second level highs. Headed down to the daily, same as well, still see the break coming from that double bottom. Headed down to the 4 hour, still see the break of that SR line. Headed down to the 3. Now we see a retest. So we have a 3 hour time frame, second last candle broke, market came back to retest. Now market just side by side, still creating that double bottom, that break and retest, but still identified as a consolidation because price action is within that second last candle. 2 hour time frame, still reading the same thing. Market just broke, retest, and did a little bit of a push, but the thing that can reject this candle from pushing up further is that the huge difference between the current price action candle and the second last candle. It went from a huge candle to a small candle, which could be identified as a reversal, and we can receive a bearish red candle that can start working its way back down through that support line. Headed down to the 1 hour time frame, still identifying the same thing. Third to last candle to break, second last candle to retest and the push. The market's working its way sideways. So the 1 hour is reading exactly what the 3 hour said. Headed down to the 45 minute time frame, identifying as a break and a retest. Headed down to the 30, identifying same as well. This is identifying as a double retest on that SR line of that support line. So the fourth last candle broke, third last candle retest, second last candle push, price action came back to retest. So if that price action becomes active again, it was active now, but if it pushes down further and we get that engulfment towards price second and start breaking that support line, that a double top can be forming as a pattern at that high. Now if it turns to a bullish green candle, currently 15-minute time frame bullish green candle, if it starts engulfing that second last candle, then we'll see that overall coming down in red because it's a break of the market, first leg, second leg, third leg, and we'll see that price action push out of that area, creating that off that double bottom. Headed down to the 5, price action, looking for price to engulf the previous second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, the last candles the market to push that market up. So market's having a hard time breaking this previous side. Walking down to 3 hour time frame, same as well. Bullish green candle. This more look like a large doji, a bit of a long wick up to the top and to the bottom. So we can see that if there was a SR line here, price, all it did was just tagged it. So we don't know if that market's going to reverse. It can still reverse because if you dissect this area, it would be resistance, support, midpoint, high. What do you see below price? Double bottom, first, second, third, got the fourth. So it broke a midpoint, so it could still come back to retest to push that market up. And headed down to the 1 minute time frame, same as well. We see that multiple pushes to that bottom, looks very choppy. Price second, third, last candle retest. We want to see if that market's gonna push and break out from that price action long wick down to that bottom. Very important information. Please study and review Forex pattern cheat sheet, breakout and retest strategy. Click on images. Okay guys, this is Cam Jones, FX, MSGS, Star.